Hello children, now in this lesson I am going to teach you how to draw the values. Here number 8 here, number 10, number 6, number 7, number 9. The numbers are not in order. Now we know the numbers and we have to identify the number and draw the values. Okay, now in previous lesson we did 1 to 5. Now here the numbers up to 10. Okay, we start from the first number here. This is number 8. This is number 8. So we have to draw pictures to this number. What is this number? 8. Now we are drawing 8 pictures. 8 pictures. Now here I am going to draw 8 roses. 8 roses here. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we count and see how many roses are here. Right. Okay. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is this number? 8. For 8 roses, 8 pictures. Now for 8 pictures are here. We can't draw more than 8. We can't draw more than less than 8. Here this is 8 and here 8 pictures. Okay, for 8 we have to draw exactly 8 pictures. Right? Now here number 10. This is number 10. For 10 I am going to draw 10 fish. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fish here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is the number here? 10. The number 10, for number 10, 8 fish here. Right? For 10 fish. You can draw anything that you like. How many pictures we have to draw for 10? 10 pictures, right? Now here 10 fish. Shall we count again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Now here this is number 6. What is this number? 6. For 6, I am going to draw 6 balls. 6 balls. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? For 6 balls. If you want to draw anything you like, you can draw. But you have to draw 6 pictures. 6 things. Okay? For 6 pictures. For 10 pictures. For 8 pictures. Can't draw more than that. You have to draw the pictures to the given number. Now here number 7. For number 7, I am going to draw some small, now see here, cupcakes here, cupcakes. How many cupcakes? Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many cupcakes? 7 cupcakes. Now here we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cupcakes here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, for 7 cupcakes. Now the last number here, number 9. What's the number? Number 9. For 9, I am going to draw 9 ducks. 9 ducks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. What is this number? 9. Here, how many pictures are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is it correct? This is number 9. Here, 8 pictures. Is this correct? No, this is wrong. We have to draw exactly 9. 9 pictures. So I have to draw another one to make 9. Okay. Now we'll count again and see. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now correct. Now for 9 pictures. For 7 cupcakes, yeah, 7 pictures. Right here. For 8 roses, 8 pictures. For 10 fish here. For 10 fish. Anything that you want, you can draw for these numbers. Right? Here number 6. For 6 balls. Okay. Now that's all, children. Now here number 8, 10, 6, 7, 9. For all numbers we have finished drawing pictures. Now the lesson is okay. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you for listening.